If the other parent is not following a child custody order in Texas, you do have options. The first step is to stay calm and document everything. Keep a record of missed exchanges, late pickups, denied visitation, blocked phone calls, texts, emails, and any changes the other parent makes without agreement or a court order. In custody cases, details matter. Next, review the exact wording of your court order. Texas custody orders can be very specific about pickup times, holiday schedules, phone contact, and decision-making rights. Before you act, make sure the other parent is truly violating the order and not following a different provision you overlooked. If the problem is temporary or minor, try to resolve it in writing first. A clear text or email reminding the other parent of the order can sometimes fix the issue without court. Keep your communication brief, factual, and child-focused. Do not argue, threaten, or insult. Anything you write may later be used in court. If the violations continue, you can ask the Texas court to enforce the order. This is usually done by filing a motion to enforce custody or visitation. In your filing, you must identify the exact parts of the order that were violated, explain how they were violated, and request relief from the court. Texas courts can order make-up possession time, fines, attorney's fees, and in serious cases, other penalties. If the other parent is denying access to your child or repeatedly ignoring the order, speak with a family law attorney as soon as possible. Enforcement cases can be technical, and the court will expect precise proof. If the issue involves safety concerns, abuse, or a risk of parental kidnapping, contact law enforcement or emergency services right away. Also remember this, you generally should not take matters into your own hands by withholding the child, stopping child support, or violating the order yourself. That can put you at risk too. The best approach is to follow the order, document the violations, and use the court system to enforce your rights. In Texas, custody orders are meant to be followed, not negotiated on the fly. If one parent keeps breaking the rules, the court can step in. The key is to act quickly, keep records, and ask for enforcement the right way. If you need help enforcing child custody, call Carpenter Associates 972-455-8700 or find us at www.carplawfirm.com.